This is our last Finance Friday before First Ontario's Dave Schurman takes some time off for the summer, and we are going to cover the hot topic of real estate. Good morning, Dave.
Good morning, Annette.
So how do you know if it's the right time to get into the market if you're not already in?
Well, it's a great question, and it's a question that people ask themselves many times. I would say if you need a home, you need a place to live, you can afford it. Obviously, your budget can afford it. Then there's never a better time to buy real estate or to buy a home than now. Real estate over time always goes up. Sometimes it doesn't go up quite as much as other times. Obviously, we're in a time right now that real estate has gone up quite a bit, but it will continue to go up. I think the rate of value increases will slow. But again, if you can afford to get into a home now, then rather than pay rent, why not do it now? COVID has really caused values to increase more than they obviously would normally, with people working from home, sometimes multiple people working from home, kids learning from home. People have needed more room, so they've upgraded from condos or upgraded to bigger homes. That has certainly caused a spike in values, as well as people migrating out of cities. So we've seen values increased in places like Vancouver and Toronto area and Hamilton over even before COVID. But since COVID now, with people migrating to smaller towns and rural areas, values are increasing everywhere. So, again, it's a good question, but if you could afford it, certainly take a look and buy a home.
Right, and it's kind of a matter of like what your comfort zone is with affordability, right? Because if you're pre-approved for a mortgage, they'll give you this is what you can do, but you may end up like house poor.
Yes, and rates are really low, and people do tend to buy as much as they can afford. The government does have a stress test in place now in case rates go up, or rates will go up. I shouldn't say in case, they will go up. It's just a matter of when. And you need to make sure that you can afford your payment when rates go up, not just now. So the stress test will help that. But again, you don't want to be house poor. You have other things to do as well besides just your mortgage payment. So you're right in that.
Right. What about some financial advice as people go into the summer with hopefully the pandemic ending, but you still got to keep finances in mind?
Yeah, the pandemic unfortunately had a lot of consequences that we obviously didn't like and didn't expect, but it has forced many of us to form some good habits. The savings rates of Canadians in that has been higher than it has been for the last 35 years. Again, some of that is a necessity because we just don't know what's going to happen, so we're going to save our money and be a little more careful in how we spend it. Well, that's a really good habit. So make sure you don't wait for the next pandemic to hit before you kind of form those habits. So keep them now. When things start opening up, and they are now, so that's good news. There will be a spike in spending. We know that people will start to travel that haven't had an opportunity to travel before. People will be back into malls and start spending more. And again, that's not a bad thing. We need to spend to keep the economy going, but make sure that you're being smart about it. Spend on things that you need. Yes, treat yourself a little bit if you can, but again, budget your money. Don't spend more than you can afford, and keep those good habits that you've formed during COVID.
And try and pay down debt if you can while rates are low, right?
Oh, debt is, and this is a really funny thing. Many people say this: when rates are so low, my mortgage rate's so low, why would I pay extra payments on it? The rate's under 2% or 2%. Why would I pay extra payments on it? There's hardly anything going to interest. I would look at it just exactly the opposite way. On a new mortgage today, about 60% of your payment is going to pay down to the principal and only 40% of interest. About 15 years ago, only 25% of your new mortgage payment was going to pay principal. 30 years ago, only 10% went to principal. So why not pay more mortgage payments now when the interest is very low, rather than wait till rates go up and then have more of your payment go to interest? It really doesn't make any sense.
Okay. Dave, have a great summer. And Dave is going to be back for Finance Friday in September, maybe in our new building. Maybe we'll see you in person. I hope so.
Can't wait to be there in person. And I'll get a haircut too.
Okay, me too. In the meantime, you can email your questions to FinanceFriday at FirstOntario.com or get in touch through Twitter at Finance_Friday. And if your question or topic is covered on the air in the fall, you will win a gift card from a local business in your community.